In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any kind of visual content, positioning text just right is crucial for the overall design. Let's walk through the process and address some of the most common issues you might encounter. First things first, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, but it's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, open the design you're working on or start a new one. Here's where the magic happens, and where we'll begin to tackle moving that elusive text box. Sometimes you might face difficulty moving a text box simply because it's locked. This can initially throw you off, but it's an easy fix. Click on the text you want to move. If it's locked, you'll notice a lock icon on the floating toolbar that appears when you select the text. Simply click on the lock icon to unlock the text box. Once unlocked, you should be able to move it around freely, positioning it exactly where it fits best within your design. However, there are instances where your text box might be hidden behind another design element, which prevents you from selecting or moving it. To solve this, click on the element that's covering your text. Again, a floating toolbar will pop up, providing various options. Look for the option to rearrange the elements and select Send to Back. This action will move the obstructive element behind your text, allowing you to see and move your text box as needed. In other cases, the text box may be part of a grouped element, which restricts individual movement. This is another straightforward problem to fix. Begin by clicking on the grouped elements, and a floating toolbar will once again appear. This time, you'll want to find and select the Ungroup button. Once ungrouped, each element becomes independently movable. You can now click and drag your text box to your desired location. There you have it. A few simple solutions to common issues when moving text boxes in Canva. These quick tips should help streamline your design process, making it a smoother, more efficient experience. Remember, design is all about experimentation, so feel free to play around with text placements until your design feels just right. Keep these tips in mind, and happy designing!